bad. Not bad at all. God, it feels good. It could be a little warmer. Like 105.
Go right near that rock.
That's what the rock's like.
Be careful.
It gets really hot. You're about this far away.
Oh shit. Oh shit. That's 110. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Easy.
There you go.
Ooh, that's too hot. Hard-boiled egg.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh god, this is great. Oh man. God, this is wonderful. Oh, the water's getting hotter. Oh shit, it's getting hot. Oh, now it's getting down to 90. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Ah, that feels so good. Huh?
Take my picture.
Okay, I'm doing it right now.
It was still.
Yeah. Hold on.